Hey everyone, thanks for joining our channel. We are the Plumbing Gurus, and in this short video we're going to be showing you how to properly plunge a toilet. My name's Clayton.
And I'm Karsten. If you're new to this channel, striving to save you guys money and keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. So stay tuned, and let's get into this video.
Let's do this. Alright everyone, so I'm Clayton, and here we are going to show you how to properly plunge your toilet. Now this is one of the most common calls that we get as running a plumbing business, is people think that their toilets are clogged. And matter of fact, they are clogged, but they always think that I need to either pull the toilet off and snake the drain. And I would say about 90% of the time, I say, hey, do you have a plunger? Yes. And I grab their plunger and I plunge it vigorously for about 2 or 3 minutes, and the clog is gone. So let's get into this, and I'll show you guys how to plunge the toilet properly. In this case, what I have here is I have a corky plunger. I prefer to use a plunger this style because it has a little part on the bottom here. It's very easy to create a seal. So the most important part about plunging a toilet is you want to make sure that you have a proper seal before you just start plunging. And so what you want to do is you want to just kind of set your plunger right into the toilet. If you just kind of move it up and down just a little bit and you turn just a little bit, you'll feel it. You'll feel the suction, and all of a sudden the plunger will almost you'll see the water won't be moving as much in the bowl, because now the pressure from the plunger is actually going to be pressuring it through the actual trap of the toilet itself.
Alright everybody, thanks for watching this video on how to plunge a toilet. If this doesn't work for you, if you've plunged and you've used our proper techniques and it's not working for you, we got a video up here we'll put in for the link, how to actually properly snake a toilet. So check that out if this didn't work for you.
That's right, and we'd like to give a shout out to all the subscribers we have right now. Thank you very much. It keeps us motivated to create more videos just like this one to keep you guys all informed on all the proper plumbing practices that we like to use. Once again, we just like to say thank you very much for watching the video. We appreciate it. Stay tuned. We'll be back with another video next week.
See you on the next one.
See you on the next one. Take care, guys.